Today I'm just gonna do my makeup. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for, so just bear with me, I guess. I know I haven't posted in a really long time. Sorry. I suck at YouTube, so great. Today is Saturday and it's 11:31 right now. I'm gonna just go with the Smashbox primer water. A lot of stuff has happened since I've been gone. Well, first off, I haven't posted in a few months, but I was going to post footage from my birthday party. My birthday was on December 12th and I turned 16 last year. And for my birthday, I got a ticket to Los Angeles, which I'm super excited about. We leave March 28th and we come back April 5th. So, yep, that's what's happening. I don't know if I want to do just concealer or just foundation. I think I'm just gonna go with concealer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is the shade Light. It's kind of dark for me just because I'm super pale, but it's fine. Just pretend like it's not. But yep. And sorry if the lighting changes randomly. I'm using natural lighting. I've been breaking out. It's not that fun. I normally have like mild acne, but my skin is pretty averagely clear most of the time. But you know, my face just decided to break out, so gotta love it. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend this in. School has been okay. Yesterday was extremely stressful, Friday, because for my digital media class we had to film a music video in one take and we only had an hour and like 50 minutes. So that was fun, and we had to learn like this whole dance in like 3 minutes. Well, I was in the music video and it's awful. You know, I wanted to cry. I was gonna have a panic attack because I couldn't get the dance right because I can't dance. So, you know, that's always a plus. I feel bad for not posting. I kind of just wanted to take a break. School was getting like really stressful and I was just like, I haven't even posted that many videos, but like I felt like I was just like running out of ideas, or like my channel just wasn't even that good. And now that I'm looking back on it, I'm seriously like questioning why I even decided to post certain things, because it is so heckin' cringy and I can't handle it. Now I'm going to set everything with this, hey, that's you, with this Chanel powder. It's Double Perfection Natural Matte Powder Makeup. This is the shade Medium Beige. It is not my shade. It's pretty dark for me. But this is actually really old. My mom gave it to me and it's to the point where we can't even return it and get like a different shade. I have to very lightly apply it and just, you know, pretend like it's my shade when it's not. And you can clearly tell. I mean, you can't on camera, but you know, let's just pretend like it's my shade. It's fine. Now that I've set this, I'm going to put on some bronzer. I'm using the Hoola bronzer. This is the original shade. I just recently had Mardi Gras break, which is fun. A lot of y'all probably don't have Mardi Gras break unless you live in Louisiana, so. But we get a week off for Mardi Gras. Now I'm gonna put on some blush. I've been really loving like excessive blush, and like a lot of people aren't blush people, but I absolutely love blush. So I'm gonna mix this Smashbox blush in Passion and this NARS blush in, yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it. Now I've also been bringing my blush upward rather than like straight on the apples of my cheeks. I've been liking to bring it up like kind of where my highlight is. And now I'm gonna put the NARS one on. I've also been liking to use my blushes as eyeshadow too. Now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I take this Morphe 350 palette and I take that shade right here and I use that as highlight. I literally had this all planned out in my head how I was going to film this, and then literally once I hit record it just goes downhill from there. It's like I really wonder why I have a YouTube channel. I can't even keep it up. I'm horrible at filming. You know, it's just, why? Now I'm gonna move on to eyes. I'm going to take my concealer again. I'm gonna put that on my eyelids for a primer. I stopped using this concealer and I don't know why. I use like the NARS concealer now, but it's like I don't know why I stopped using this. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend it in. I'm gonna take this brush and take that Chanel powder again and set this. I feel like half my videos aren't entertaining, because I mean, like, I look back on it and I'm just like, why did I do that? But you know, it's okay. Sometimes I just want to delete my channel, but I don't, because I'm just like, no, like, you can't, because one day you're gonna look back on this and you're gonna laugh at it when really I'm just gonna cringe at it. It's not even gonna be funny. I'm gonna take this NYX brush and this Tarte blush in Party. So I'm just gonna take my brush like that and put that in my crease. I don't know if I'll be posting daily again. I think I'm just gonna go like randomly maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe just whenever I feel like it. Now I'm going back into the NARS blush and I'm putting that on the outer corner with the same brush. I have so many eyeshadow brushes, but I always wind up using just one. Now I'm going to take the Smashbox blush again and I'm going to put that kind of like right here, like the inner part of my crease, again with the same brush. Wow, I'm so good at makeup, honestly. Now I'm taking this Modern Renaissance palette and I'm gonna go in with Red Ochre. That one right there. I'm getting deja vu. Like, I had a dream once that I was making this tutorial, like this specific tutorial, doing this makeup. Does anybody else ever get dreams like that? I'm gonna take a different brush finally, and I don't know what brush. My brushes are, oh my gosh, do you see that? My brushes are so dirty, but I never bother to clean them. That's probably a reason that I break out. I always pretend like I don't know why I'm breaking out when I really do. It's just I don't want to admit it to myself. I'm gonna take Realgar. That's how you pronounce it. I don't know if I'm wrong. Don't judge me. I'm gonna take this shade here and I'm gonna try to do an under eye wing. I would say yep when there's like nothing else for me to say because I don't know what to say because I'm really bad at talking. So yeah. So that's my wing. I kinda wanna take Primavera, put that on bottom inner corner. Okay, now with my finger, I'm gonna take Vermeer, which is the shimmery shade like right above Primavera. I'm just gonna take my middle finger and like that. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. And I'm also gonna take it and I put it on my brow bone. Kinda wanna make my lids glossy. So I'm gonna take this Stila gloss in the shade Starfruit, and I'm just gonna take it on my finger like that. I'm just gonna put it onto my lids. Now I'm gonna do eyebrows. Lately I haven't been doing much eyebrows. I just kind of like to do gel and stuff, and I like to brush them up. So I think I'm just going to do that. I use this e.l.f. clear mascara and brow gel. I'm just gonna take this gel and brush through my eyebrows. I'm just gonna put some of this fresh sugar lip caramel hydrating balm. This is what it looks like. It's been one of my favorite lip balms at the moment. Now that I have that on, I either want this or this. I might actually put on both, so. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this and put it on top. So, mascara. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. So I'm gonna take this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just put that on my lashes. So many people hate this mascara and so many people love it. It's very controversial. I love it. I don't use it every day. Like, it's not my go-to mascara. Well, it is for certain things, but I switch my mascaras all the time depending on the look that I want to go for. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I haven't posted in forever. I don't know when I'm gonna post again. It's probably just gonna be random at this point. But yeah, so I'll just see you when I see you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment whatever you want to see, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and I'll just see you when I see you. So bye. To